everybody, today I'm going to be doing a DIY wall hanging that's inspired by Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters, and all of those fun home decor stores. So we're going to start off with the supplies. You need the Sortso, I believe is how it's pronounced, rug from IKEA, some glue. I used fabric glue, you could use hot glue, and then your strips. So these are just trim pieces that I got from Joann Fabrics. Now, I would definitely recommend going when they are on sale because it just saves a lot of money, or you could use a coupon, but normally you can only use a coupon on one item, so I definitely recommend going when the trim is on sale. So I just picked out a bunch of different styles of trim, some of the ones with pom-poms or tassels, and then some more simple ones, or like this gold one that you see here. And I'm kind of just playing around with the layout to see what I like the best and see what kind of flows the best. Now I did get enough to get 2 sections, so I'm going to be doing a section at the top and then one a little bit more towards the bottom. I forgot to mention that you're also going to need a wooden dowel and string so that you can attach this to the wall. But what I did is just kind of laid my wooden dowel on there and kind of marked where I thought it would be best to fold it over, just so I had an idea of how much space would be left over for the trim pieces. So I'm just using my fabric glue here, and then I'm going to fold it over the dowel, and I recommend putting something heavy on this. I think I ended up stacking some books and using my tripod corner, and make sure that the corners are really well secure. So like I said, you're just gonna want some string so that you can hang this from the wall. I ended up actually making the string way shorter than I thought originally. Once I hung it up on the wall, you could see how heavy the piece actually was, and I just wanted it a lot shorter. So now I'm going to start gluing on the individual trim pieces now that I've kind of laid it out in a design that I like. And I am using this T ruler, I believe is what they're called, but you do not have to use this. This was just so that I could make sure I was getting a straight line. I was so afraid that I was going to glue all this stuff on and then the lines were going to be all crooked, but you do not have to use this. You can just freestyle eyeball it, or you could also use a ruler and mark off on each side the measurements, so you could like measure up from the bottom and see how high it is on each side, so that you have a starting and stopping point for the rope or the trim, and it should even out that way as well. So that is really everything. It's really simple to make, and I really love the way that it turned out. I think it is bohemian and just exactly what I was envisioning, and I hope that you guys like it too and you guys find some inspiration. If you do, I would love to see it. So make sure you comment down below or tag me in your Instagram posts. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.